So we've installed something really awesome on the plane, which is basically on the wingtip of the plane, and it is an Nflightcam GoPro mount. We've been putting or attaching rather the GoPro 8 to the mount, and it's an awesome view, and I'll show that to you in just a sec, of the plane, both of course on the ground and especially in flight. The GoPro 8 stabilization is just incredible. The colors are awesome, and this is the video of the first flight with that mount and the camera attached to it. Dak and I took it up into the pattern. We just did two circuits in the pattern just to make sure everything is in good shape. Actually selected 19 right, so that all of our turns were going to be to the right for right pattern for runway 19 right, so that when we are making those turns, the plane is juxtaposed to the ground, just to see exactly what that stabilization looks like, and the quality of the picture itself, like the colors of the ground itself with the body of the plane juxtaposed on it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the camera, walk over to the mount itself, and then I'll take a couple of pictures of what the mount looks like without the camera attached, and then of course with the camera attached. I'll put the link to the Nflightcam mount in the description of the video. The mount itself, by the way, was actually, and we're getting a start up of a beautiful jet out there. The mount itself is actually was actually put in there for us by our mechanics. So it is a mount that has to be put in and signed off in the logbooks, but once it's in, man, I tell you, it's an awesome view. So let me grab the camera and show you guys. First of all, the jet that's starting up right over there. Let's walk over to the mount, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually leaving this little guy in place. It just goes straight in. There's nothing else on the other side holding it, but it's a very secure mount. This is very solid metal, and this thing is in there really nice and solid. There's no turning, there's nothing. Now I can go ahead and loosen up these bolts right here to go ahead and adjust the angle of the camera, but the way it's in there right now is just perfect. So let me go ahead and just kind of flip this so I can show you what the plane is going to look like about from this mount itself. And I'll go ahead and put the GoPro in so you can take a look and see what it actually looks like mounted. So here we go. All right, so that's the mount. Now let's go see what it looks like in flight. Okay, check, check.
Check, check.
Check, check, check. 1247, count 2.
RNAV, runway 19 right, approaching east, landing, departing runway 19 left, runway 19 right. Use caution for birds in Snake Concrete Airport. Hazardous weather information for California Coast Guard available on flight service frequencies. Notice to airmen, transit ramp closed. Taxiway Bravo between runway 19 left, taxiway Mike closed. Taxiway Charlie between runway 32 right, taxiway Bravo closed. Crane 0.6 nautical miles north, 120 feet, AGL selected and lit. Eyes on initial contact, you have information, X-ray.
X-ray. Concord Ground, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is at the PSA FBO, taxi 19 right with X-ray.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Concord Ground, runway 19 right, taxi to Foxtrot Alpha, cross runway 32 left approach, runway 32 right at Alpha.
Foxtrot Alpha, cross 32 left approach and 32 right on Alpha to 19 right, 01 Whiskey. Okay, the camera is still attached, that's always good. There's a guy coming in on final for 19 left. Like a little mini warbird. Look at that, look at the paint scheme on this thing.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. I think she's doing pattern work. Or he.
Attention all aircraft, Concord Tower Information Yankee is now current. Winds currently 180 at 16, altimeter 3003, landing departure runways 19 right, 19 left.
All right, let's see what it feels like in the pattern.
Yourself, Mike, you copy Information Yankee.
I have Yankee 6 Alpha Mike.
Okay, let's do our quick run up. Alright, we're on tower and we're going to stay in the pattern. You know what, I don't think I need glasses. Okay, where's my windsock? Yeah, the wind is looking good. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short 19 right, request right close traffic.
Cessna 9501 Whiskey, Concord Tower, 19 right, clear for takeoff, make right close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, right close traffic is approved, 01 Whiskey. Alright, here we go. Okay, we should have a pretty short roll with all the headwind we've got. Full power. Down the middle of the runway. Engine instruments are in the green. Speed is alive. 60 knots are ready. Yep, I told you. Alright, let's get our nose down, make sure we keep up speed up. Oh my god, yes, look at that. We're going to be at 500 feet by Contra Costa Boulevard. Yep, there we are. And let's do our turn. And this is where we might expect a little bit of turbulence. And continue climbing.
And Concord Tower, station 236 Alpha Mike, ready for takeoff, one on the right, northeastbound.
Station 206 Alpha Mike, Concord Tower, 19 right, clear for takeoff, your left downwind departure is approved.
Clear for takeoff, one on the right, left downwind approved, 6 Alpha Mike.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, 1 on the right, clear for touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 1 on the right, 01 Whiskey. Okay, we're at 1,000 feet before our turn to downwind. All right. A little bit close to the runway. Look at that, there's no wind over there. It's just coming straight up.
Yeah, it's like right in our area.
I know. All right, we're abeam, 1500. And flap stand. Okay, so I don't want to get blown to the runway, or actually I don't want to get blown away from the runway. Coming down, coming down. All right, I'm going to start my turn because my approach to final is going to be slow against the wind. 85 knots. Flaps 20. And we're a little high. 75, looks good. I see we're getting blown out a little bit. That's why I need to go ahead and turn just a little bit toward the runway to make sure my distance is good. All right, nice slow turn to final, full flaps. Let's slow down. .70 knots. I'm going to maintain this RPM, and it's going to be really slow. You feel how we're flying against the wind? How slow it is?
Yeah, it's we really are just like floating down.
Exactly. Here's my 65 knots. The wind slightly from the left. . Yeah, it's a long approach. Yeah, the wind is shifting.
Incredible how you can feel it.
Oh, I'm looking at the sock as well. You got it, you got it. Okay,
Nice.
Here we go. Flaps up and full power. 50,
Getting like a crosswind.
60 total crosswind, yeah, and pull her off. There we go. Yeah, see how you get blown off?
Yeah.
That's right, immediately to the right. $500 feet. Continue climbing. $900 feet. 1,000 feet. Power back. 2,000. Nose down. Maintain 1,000 feet. And the runway is going to be... Yeah, I'm getting pretty big variations on speed. Just because of the wind. Nothing out of the ordinary here. There we go. The speed is picking back up. Alright, Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey will be full stop, 19 right.
0 Whiskey, Roger, 1 on the right, clear 21.
19 right, clear in, 01 Whiskey.
Was this our third pattern?
Second. But, you know, we're just testing the cameras.
I feel you.
Okay, we don't want to get the blown away, so we're going to turn a little bit toward the runway. Here we go. Flaps 20. Perfect. Stay right here. $75 knots. See, that's the picture that I want. I'm not getting blown away from the runway.
Yeah.
All right, let's go final. Full flaps.
Oh man. Just
And
feel that.
Nice and slow. The camera's still attached. All right, well, no, this looks good. Okay, so I'm 3 over red, 3 white over 1 red, so that's good actually. I've got good altitude. I'm a little bit high, but I feel comfortable with this side picture. And now we're coming in white over red.
Yep.
Our speed though, man, look at that. Now we're getting blown off a little bit. There we go. Yep, looks good.
Nice. That was a really confident landing.
Yep. All right, we can come off on Juliet.
Yeah, this is Juliet.
This is actually 3-2
0
left.
Whiskey, make the left turn at Juliet, cross 19 left, contact ground point 9er.
Juliet, cross 19 left and over to ground, 0 Whiskey.
You're right. This is Juliet. So I guess like the road names have signs like right before them.
Black right there. J, Juliet. All right, the wind is coming straight from here, so we're going to turn a little bit into the wind. And we have clearance to cross 19 left. And that looks good. That was actually comfortable. All things considered, that was pretty comfortable, no big deal.
Camera's still on.
Let's do the after landing checklist really quick. Flaps, so retracted transponder is on standby ground, landing lights. Alright, landing lights are off, strobe lights are off. Mixture is gonna lean out. Okay. Tucker ground, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is on Juliet, clear 19 left, taxi PSA FBO.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Tucker ground, taxi via Juliet, join the main ramp.
Juliet main ramp FBO, 01 Whiskey, thanks.